Hello, welcome to my channel and craft room. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click the like button and leave a comment. Both of these things really help out my channel, plus I love to interact and chat with you all. I would also love it if you subscribe so we could craft along together in future videos too. You can find me on other social media platforms as well. Those links will be in the description box under each video. I'd love for us to connect there too. Right, let's get crafting. Hello everybody and welcome. We are here today for the hashtag Boho Summer Collab winners drawing. So for those of you that have missed out, throughout the month of May, myself and Natalie from LineDotArrow, we created a kit called Bohemian Summer. And alongside the kit we had some freebies and some challenges, so the month of May was just full of lots of boho fun, and we said that if people used either the kits or the freebies, it didn't matter which, but participated in the challenges and created lots of wonderful different bits and pieces, then so long as you use the hashtag Boho Summer Collab in the Facebook group, then we would put your name in for a prize drawing. Now I have collated the different names, so there are actually 4 groups that are taking part. So Natalie will be doing a drawing in her Facebook group, the LineDotArrow Facebook group. I'm collecting the names and doing the drawing for those that entered in the Junk Journaling for Everybody Facebook group. But there is also Haystacks Crafty Corner and Sweet Pea Papers. They're also going to be a drawing in there as well. So if you participated and you posted in each group, you obviously have more chance of winning. However, if you win in one of the groups, so say I draw a name here and you are a winner, you then cannot win in any of the other drawings in the other Facebook group, because we want to try and have as many winners as we can. Now I'm going to draw 5 names, and if you are a winner, then you just need to email me. I'll have my email address in the description box below, or you can send me a message via Facebook, that's fine, just to let me know that you've won, and you can pick any kit from my Etsy shop. So I'll have 5 winners. Each of you can pick a kit from my Etsy shop. So let's get to it then. I've input all the names. If you obviously took part in each of the different challenges, then each post that you've done, your name has been put in. So if you only participated once, then you only have your name in once. But if you did it 2 or 3 times, then you've got your name in multiple times. So let's tap to see who the first winner is. I have got my iPad just to the side, only just because I don't want the glare on the screen. So Naomi Shaw, you are the first winner. So if you can contact me, Naomi, like I said, either by email or via Facebook Messenger, either is fine, and just let me know which kit you would like and I can have that sent over to you. Okay, let's go again. Leslie Ellis, well done Leslie. So you are the second winner. Again, same to you. If you can message me and let me know which kit you would like from my store. And let's see who number 3 is. Marla Batchelor, well done Marla. So you are the 3rd winner. So again, message me by either method and let me know which kit you would like. Kim Thomas Evans, well done. So again, message me. Let me know which kit you would like. Right, last one then. And Mandy Barkley, again, well done. If all of you can message me, let me know which kit you would like. I want to say a huge thank you to everybody that participated. I want to say a massive thank you to the design team. They did an amazing job showcasing the kits and creating such wonderful projects. And even those that were using the freebies, so weren't using the kit but using the freebies, again, I've seen some amazing creations in each of the challenges. So it's been such fun to see what you make with the kit or with the freebies. And some of the challenges weren't even with papers, so the tassel was one of them, and I've seen some amazing tassels. So it's been such fun, this collaboration. Another huge thanks to Nathalie from LineDotArrow for inviting me to do this challenge and this collaboration. It has been lots of fun. Well, that's it from me. Again, huge congratulations to Leslie, Marla, Mandy, Kim and Naomi. If you message me, let me know which kit you would like. I'll have that sent over to you. Remember to check out the videos for the other Facebook groups. If you didn't win in this particular drawing, you might still win in one of the others. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching and participating, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.